Perched high in the Hollywood Hills, the Tea House by Aaron Neubert Architects offers more than just a place to live. It's a sanctuary where architecture and nature come together. With sweeping views of the San Fernando Valley, Griffith Park, and even the Hollywood sign, this home redefines hillside living in Los Angeles. From the outside, the house cascades gracefully down the steep terrain, creating a sense of discovery as you move through its terraced gardens. Visitors are welcomed by a serene entry courtyard that gently guides them to a glass-enclosed foyer, where a dramatic vertical slot window reveals a 3-story view aligned with the horizon. It's an introduction that instantly connects earth and sky. The design is organized around a distinctive T configuration that frames both vertical and horizontal vistas. On one side, telescoping glass doors span the entire width of the house, capturing panoramic mountain views. On the other, the soaring vertical window brings in daylight while linking every floor of the home, uniting the spaces visually and emotionally. Each level of the house has its own character. The middle floor is the heart of daily life, with porous spaces that blend living, dining, cooking, lounging, and working. The lower level opens out to the pool and terrace, perfect for entertaining and relaxation. Meanwhile, the upper floor offers privacy with family bedrooms, a garage, and everyday essentials, all arranged with balance and flow. Materiality plays a key role in shaping the warm, natural atmosphere of the tea house. Outside, sustainably sourced cedar siding and hand-pressed terracotta bricks give the home a timeless quality, aging gracefully over time. Inside, the richness of Douglas fir beams, oak flooring, limestone surfaces, and bronze accents create a tactile, grounded living environment that feels both refined and welcoming. Sustainability is at the core of the design. Drought-tolerant landscaping reduces water use while supporting local biodiversity, and a rainwater harvesting system provides irrigation for the gardens. By choosing sustainable materials and energy-conscious strategies, the house minimizes its footprint without sacrificing comfort or beauty. tea house is more than a striking piece of architecture. It's a vision for the future of hillside living in Southern California. By blending contemporary design, natural materials, and ecological responsibility, it creates a retreat that celebrates the land it rests upon. For the family who lives here, and for anyone seeking inspiration, it's a reminder that a home can be both modern and deeply connected to nature.